Estoy aquí un instante. I put my jeans on, la vida no puede esperar. En un mundo cambiante, mi motivo en la vida yo quiero encontrar.
Oh! Nano babo, kabalen, kumusta kayo po na? Ako po yung Louis Season, abe king buong pamilya ko, Kenny King Goshen. Located dyan po yung Kenny Bamban, Tarlac. And actually, munta na kami king cafe for our breakfast. And while we're going there, let me give you a highlight of what happened yesterday. Ne? Actually, mag-overnight kami kasi ang yapin. Magalmusal kami kita, ayning milyari napon. We are waiting for our breakfast. Check out the place. Ne? Actually, may dinner na kami Kenny last night. And the food is really amazing. Magpasalamat kami king Goshen kasi they gave us free meals for the entire feature. Yeah, mag-overnight kami. We're gonna also give the room rates. Itang binyeda kaya kami guys at in yung 2 rooms. The first room, happy niting master bedroom daw mga yan. And then the second room has 2 beds. So all in all, siguro it can accommodate like 6 to 7 adults. So our breakfast has arrived. Check out these guys. Yan, no? So then yung set meal na rin are good for 5 persons. I'm sure this is really enough for us. So ito, abayan nyo kami po. Magalmasal tapa ang bahay tayo lumibot. Okay, so actually original intent na ning lugar ini is to be a private place for a family. However, in 2017 mintaya kay ni We Wonder PH. It's a local vlog Filipino vlogger ini. And feature na yung lugar ini. And then it really went viral, super viral as in. And then sabi na pinitang owner na anyang orientation ni. The rest is history. So chuta mo kay ning ancient of days building din So kung gulot tamo atin lang gagawan na dalan coming from the U going to New Clark City and then eventually ining maging entrance na ning Goshen. So it will become a lot more accessible lalong-lalo na nung manibad kayo Manila, Mabalacat. So manikta mo kitang kay aman wandang Love Lock booth. Okay, so we're coming up, going up. We are going up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So actually, sinikatsin ni bandang Europe wherein den couple mga yan gawa lang Thai in a form of locks or padlock. Galing. Like a public declaration of your binding love.
Bago nila ilak, meron po silang parang commitment. Vow. So turn on, ibibel po nila yan.
Okay. May itong nga ring amenities na kining Goshen is ining ATV ride. Aside from swimming and of course itong sightseeing king Coliseum may itong demo naman amenities ini. So subukan tayo ini ATV Goshen style. Woohoo! See you guys later! Alright, so chuta na kayong pool area daw. Ding family ko swim na lang nabi rin And it's time for us to swim all together now. Hi, Mami!
Ay, masarap.
Sarap, masarap. Luisito!
Lamigan tubig.
Luisito, say hi!
Hi!
Hey! Hi, Chin! Base kayong observation ko atin lang 1, 2, 3 swimming pools.
Ongoing ito nga.
Atin lang pang ongoing siguro dwala ata rito. Okay, so final meal for the day na. We have pork steak. Check out that. Would like to thank Goshen Resort and Hotel for inviting us, making us experience ini pong karelang place, all of the amenities na. We have the ATV, we have the swimming, even in karelang cafe. So thank you so much, Goshen. Guys, if you'd like to know more about iratang details na rin kaya kaming stay kini, we're gonna include everything below. From all of us, Kening, we're in Pampanga. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye!
Till our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace! Bye-bye!